User account control. UAC, or User Account Control, was introduced in Windows Vista, and it had a rocky start because it was pretty intrusive. The idea is that a task is either requiring elevation or not requiring elevation. Something like starting Microsoft Word or a web browser shouldn't require that you be an administrator to do so. Open the registry editor, on the other hand, that would certainly be considered an administrative task. So UAC represents a layer to protect the computer operator from inadvertently running high-privileged tasks. They'll either be blocked from doing so, as I said earlier, unless they have administrative credentials, or they'll be prompted to continue based on the settings. When UAC happens, the screen dims. This is a special mode called Secure Desktop, and the idea there is that any other system, any other process on that machine, I should say, is temporarily suspended, and that answer to the UAC prompt or the input of administrative credentials, you're only communicating with the Windows security subsystem, and that's it. It's meant to kill any malware that's trying to steal credentials through elevation. Now, the best practice is to actually turn the UAC prompts up. They're nowhere near as intrusive as they originally were in Vista, where they seemed to pop up every other action you wanted to try. Now, enough years have passed to where the UAC elevation, while still as regular if the person is regularly doing administrative things, isn't anywhere near as annoying as it once was. I want to make sure that you understand not to get numb to those prompts. You don't just want to become in the habit of clicking yes to agree to a UAC prompt. Make sure you're inspecting what's going on, and what is expected to happen is what actually is happening. And as far as your standard users go, they're going to have to maybe contact you to put in credentials if they're not able to do an administrative task. That's going to be on your shoulders to ask yourself and ask the user, why is it that you're trying to do said administrative task?